Just imagine a world where you can power your entire business with just one AI tool. Yeah, you heard it right. The last AI tool you need to successfully run, manage and grow your online business and turn it into a profit-making full-fledged web agency. Introducing MotoAi, the world's first all-inclusive agency creator suite, which makes profit-making sites, content, graphics, images, videos, and articles, preloaded with 3,000 plus niches and categories. And all that in just a few magical clicks. MotoAi creates revolutionary eye-catchy and jaw-dropping websites, content, graphics, articles, and many more in just a few clicks. If this sounds good to you, then get this and start making money out of it. Create product landing pages, e-commerce stores, Amazon stores, photography websites, review sites, blog pages, offline sites, and many more online and offline business websites, with an interactive and newbie-friendly drag-and-drop page builder, all this in just a single tool. Welcome to the MotoAi, the last agency creator suite you will ever need. Say goodbye to all the junk, ugly, untidy, and non-supportive tools you've been using by now, and start building spectacular, eye-boggling websites for your business. The problems with other AI tools you would already have is ugly and tedious designs, bugs all around, limitations of pre-made layouts, no support, no new updates, and limitations of using it on multiple websites. We have seen this over and over again, and you know it's true. So to cut that short, and get this MotoAi. MotoAi comes with 3,000 pre-made websites, content, images, graphics, articles, and much more. With all these, start creating websites and content for online marketers, business owners, drop shippers, shop owners, industrial creatives or offliners, bloggers, and many more with just one tool. Does all this sound like a nightmare? But yes, with our MotoAi tool, you have true freedom and the ability to create any website without any restrictions. Still thinking? Well, don't do that, because MotoAi has been developed by an elite author on Theme Forest and Code Canyon, with a team size of 80+ members, and this team has put all their talent and 13 years of experience into this biggest AI tool for you. Having said that, you are assured of design quality, code standards, bugs-free, high-quality video tutorials, and top-notch support. So the question is, will you still stick to the old ways to get your agency running, or build websites by hiring expensive designers and wasting money and time? Or will you take action and grab MotoAi now and get an easy life ahead? Don't give it a second thought and grab your copy now to start your own web agency and create profit-making websites, landing pages, graphics, videos, and content. Hey there! Welcome to this quick demo of MotoAi. In this video, I will explain all the options of the MotoAi theme. Let's start with the MotoAi dashboard first. Here, you will see pre-built DFY themes that you can use for creating a website as per the business requirement. To use the theme, click on the three dots menu on the top right corner. You will get Download and Preview option. Just click on the Download button to download and use the theme. Click on the Preview option to view the site. You can click the button at the top for creating your website from scratch. This option helps you in creating a website in just 3 easy steps. Let's start with the first step by choosing the niche for your website. There are over 3,000 plus niches to choose from. You can enter and select the one that best suits your website or business. I will go with artist niche and hit the continue button. MotoAi will curate the content for your website, which will take a couple of seconds. Now, in the second step, you need to fill in your business details, like your business name, logo, contact details, and your social platforms links. Once filled, hit the Continue button again. You will be redirected to the third and last step of creating your website. In this step, you will see suggested services that are generated through AI based on the type of your business and niche. You need to choose any 3 services from the list or add a custom service as well. Once you are done selecting services, you will see 2 options. First, to continue editing. Or second, to generate the website directly. If you want to customize your website even more, like choosing a theme color, choosing sections and pages to display on your website, layouts of sections and pages, order of the sections, you can choose the Continue Editing button and customize your website according to your needs. Let's go with the default theme right now. I will hit Generate Theme button to do so. After a few seconds, you will see a button to preview your website. As you can see, I was able to create this stunning website within minutes, without any hassle, and even without touching a single line of code. Now navigate to MotoAi menu to see the created theme. Click on the Your Themes tab. You will see the created websites here. You can choose to edit, delete, download, or preview your website. The Social Post text option generates the text that you can use for posting on social media accounts. Festival templates generate templates for festivals with your details on them. Just download and post on social media. Social Post templates create a social post for you. You can choose to change the image or download it to post on social media. Now let's check out some other amazing features of MotoAi. The first one is Content Generator. As the name suggests, this option generates the content. You need to simply enter the keyword and hit on Generate button. AI will take a couple of seconds to generate the content for you. The content has been generated successfully. You will see the option to copy this content, which will copy it to your clipboard, and another option of Save Data on the page. This will create a new page on your website, and add the generated content on this new page by default. You will also get an option to edit the created page as desired from here. Let's move on to the second option, Image Generator. This option helps you in generating images for your website or any other use. Just enter the keyword and click on Submit button. I have entered art, and you can see tons of art generated images based on the keyword that I entered. You can either choose to download these images or save them to the media library. Let's move on to the third option, Video Generator. With this option, you can generate videos by just entering a keyword. I have entered art, and you can see tons of videos related to art have been generated. Again, you can either choose to download these videos or save them to the media library. You can choose any video that you like from these thousands of videos. Now, let's move on to the next option, SEO Tags Generator. It helps you to auto-generate the SEO tags based on any keyword that you enter. Let's create SEO tags for the website that we just created. I will enter artist and hit Submit button. Awesome! You can see these SEO tags for the website, which we can either copy or add to the website directly from here. That was all. Thank you for watching.